The following countries and territories look surprisingly much like different objects. The Caribbean island nation St. Kitts and Nevis looks a lot like a baseball bat and a baseball. If we put another island nation, Madagascar, on its side, it looks like a submarine. Yet another island, Tahiti, looks like a person blowing a bubblegum bubble. Italy famously looks like a boot, and Italy's neighbor Croatia looks quite a lot like a dragon. Romania looks like Dory from the movie Finding Nemo, and while we're on the topic of Finding Nemo, India looks like a shark tooth. The US looks a bit like a cartoon whale. The US territory of Guam looks like a fish swimming towards the screen, or like a sock. On a similar note, Seychelles looks like a foot. Niger looks like a chicken wing, and Paraguay, when turned upside down, looks like a mushroom. Anguilla is a territory in the Caribbean that looks like a leaf. Guadeloupe is another territory in the Caribbean. I think Guadeloupe looks like a hummingbird with a whale's tail fin. Isla Guadalupe is a very small Mexican island with a similar name to the last territory. It looks a lot like a woodpecker. The Indonesian island called Sulawesi looks like a cartoon crocodile standing on a football. And last but not least, Laos looks like an old crazy lady.